Okay, so I come back from my install today, and the Direct Stone truck driver has given me this. This is awesome. I can't believe it. It's freaking awesome. It's a bag, Makita bag here, and what goes in that bag is this Makita battery grinder here, man. And anybody that's watched any of my other videos, you know how I feel about Makita grinders. They're my favorite. That's what I use here to shop. I, however, have never used the battery powered one. Sorry about that. Had to be smarter than the package. So as you can see, it is flipping brand new. The grinder, brushless, and that is freaking sweet. Alright, and then he gave me another box over here, which I'm assuming has the charger and stuff in it. So check that out. So here's my charger and 2 batteries. That is absolutely freaking awesome, dude. That is awesome. So any of you guys that have never used Makita grinders, I highly recommend them. 18-volt batteries. I guess this is our Christmas gift. You know, we've been working with Direct Stone, I guess, about 6 months now. And they come every 2 weeks. We got some blades off of them too. Everything I've ever got from them's been good. I've never had a problem with them at all. They're always nice. Just good people. They had came by a few times, and you know, I pretty much stuck with the people I had been buying from. But Direct Stone has different things on their truck, and some of the things they carry are cheaper than what some of the other guys carry. And don't get me wrong, I still like my other guys too. But holy crap, this is just awesome, man. Heck, this is one of the nicest things anybody's ever gave me, man. I don't know. So if you guys at Direct Stone are watching, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So I recommend if they stop at your shop, guys, give them a shot. They've got a lot of tools on their trucks. Like I said, some of them are cheaper than the other guys. And what I like about it is they have things on their truck that some of the other guys don't have. So, you know, you get a little bit of variety. You know, I'm very I don't know, honor is very big with me. And you know, if people start working with me and they're good to me, they'll always have my business. I've worked with Levi since I opened here. They were the first guys that you know, worked with me and sold me sinks, so I've stuck with them, and they've been awesome. A lot of my stone distributors I've been working with from day one, and they've been good to me, and I've stuck with them. And now Direct Stone, they've been good to me, and I'll stick with them forever. I just want to give them a shout out on this video. I think this is an awesome gift. Makita, they've never given me anything. They probably don't even know I exist, but they make some damn good grinders, let me tell you. and I will let you know how this one works once I use it a little bit, but I can guarantee you it's going to be money. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but it's a lot for us. Thanks guys. I'll see you on the next one.